Hello everyone! In this video we are going to show you how to prepare campfire risotto. The things you will need are onion, campfire, white wine, rice, olive oil, vegetable broth.
Campfire is a plant that grows near the sea. It has long and strong stems. It can grow up to 50 centimeters high. Leaves are salty and they have an aromatic taste. It was used as salt before.
First thing you will need to do is to wash the campfire. Then boil the water. While the water is boiling, cut up an onion.
Put the campfire in the boiling water. Boil it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, drain it.
In a pan, add olive oil. Put your diced onion in the heated oil. Stir until golden brown.
Add 2 cups of rice. Put the white wine into your rice. Then add vegetable broth.
When the rice is halfway done, add the campfire. Don't forget to stir well. If needed, add more vegetable broth.
And that's it. Enjoy your meal.